Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset keyboard settings on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General Management. Now under General Management, it should say Samsung Keyboard Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Then under Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to Reset to Default Settings. Click on that. Then it should say Reset Keyboard Settings. Select it. Then a pop-up that says Reset Keyboard Settings. Then go ahead and click on Reset. After that, your keyboard settings will be reset. So that's exactly how to reset keyboard settings on Samsung A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.